Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this videos I'm going to show how to fix the spacebar or enter key is not working on Windows 10 and 11. So let's start without wasting our time. First, this issue occurs due to the driver is not up to date. Open the device manager simply from the Windows search bar and you need to look for your keyboard here. This is your keyboard. First you need to try both the drivers should be updated like this. If both the drivers are not up to date, what you can do is you can right click on the keyboard, update driver, this option, and choose the latest one from here, and then click on next and then click on close, and it may ask you to restart your Windows and it should fix the issue. Additionally, what you can do is you can click on your computer hostname, then click on action and scan for hardware changes. This will fix your issue related if any changes you made and those are not working on your Windows 11 or 10. But if you haven't made any changes on your computer, so let's move on to the now second step. Just you need to type here filter keys and open the filter keys and simply keyboard shortcut filter keys. Just leave it as it is. We are looking for some filter keys. Okay, let's go one back. Okay, go to sticky keys and this should be off like this. Filter keys should be off like this. I have already done that. Toggle keys should be off like this. This is a step number 2 and this should fix your issue now. If that is also not working, what you can do is you can go to system and basically we need to look for troubleshoot, other troubleshooter, and simply run here the keyboard troubleshooter. In my case, keyboard is not showing up here, so we can run this program compatibility troubleshooter and this will hopefully fix your issue. If that is also not working for you, you can look for update drivers and make sure up to date driver is selected on your computer. So these are the solutions to fix the space key and enter key is not working on your Windows. I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.